Today I'm gonna show you a long requested video, and the video is about how to install Laravel 5.1 or 5.2 in Windows machine. So when I have posted Laravel 5 installation in Windows, a lot of people have asked me that or told me that they have never seen the controller.php page or something like that, and the file is missing in their Laravel project. That's because I have installed Laravel. I have showed you to install the Laravel 5.0 version, and what you are installing is Laravel 5.2 or 5.1. If you have watched my video in 2 or 3 months ago, I am sure that you have installed Laravel 5.1 and you have seen that no controller file in your app directory or app/controller directory. So I am showing you how to install Laravel 5.2, and it's really easy. Just open the Laravel documentation and you are seeing that they have written a very precise and clear documentation to install Laravel in Windows machine. So to install Laravel in Windows machine, you just need Composer, and Composer is a software that works in your CMD or command prompt, and it is used to fetch PHP packages or PHP packages from GitHub, and PHP packages is listed in packages site. And if you open packages site, you will find the whole bunch of PHP packages, and all of the packages are hosted in GitHub. So just download the exe file and install it, and when you have installed Composer, you can check your Composer installation. And if you want to see the Composer installation, just follow through my other tutorial and check the video called Laravel 5 installation in Windows. And to run the Laravel project, you just need a XAMPP or WAMP package or software. So I have already installed and run the XAMPP, and the Apache and MySQL is running here, and my XAMPP folder is located in XAMPP or XAMPP directory. Then go to the ecdocs, and my whole Laravel, all of the Laravel projects are located in Laravel apps, and I have been practicing this for 2 years to post my all of the Laravel projects in a separate directory, and these all projects are Laravel project, so it's just keeping you more organized. So open your browser and type localhost, then Laravel apps. You see the projects in Laravel apps folder, so nothing new here. So I want to install Laravel 5.1 in my Laravel apps directory. So I want to open the command prompt here. To do that, I'm just holding shift, then right clicking it, and I have found that new option, and this called open command window here. And if you open it, it will open your command in this directory, and the command prompt is pointed to the directory, which is ecdocs/Laravel apps. And to install Laravel 5, just go to the documentation and follow this command called Composer create project, prefer this laravel/laravel, then blog or your project name. So as my composer is installed, to check my composer, if my composer is installed, just type composer, then dash version name. It will return your version name. So this proves that composer is working in my machine. Then to install laravel 5.2, write composer, then create dash project, then dash preferred dist, then laravel followed by your project name. Here they have written blog, but my project will be laravel 5.2, so I am writing here laravel 5.2. and one thing is, notice that laravel/laravel is a term which comes from these packages, and this laravel/laravel means that first thing is prefix works for vendor name and second is for project name. And if you type laravel/laravel, you'll see the package name, and the package is located in the GitHub directory, and here is the vendor name and here is the project name. And if you click the vendor name, you'll see that there are many projects, and what we are really interested here is the Laravel project. So we want to fetch this GitHub repo by using this composer command. And I have a typo here, and the typo, sorry, I have deleted the whole command, so I am writing it again. Create dash project, then dash prefer dist, then laravel/laravel. Laravel is the vendor name and followed by the project name. Then my project name, which is laravel 5.2, then type enter. Then composer will fetch this GitHub repo to my directory. So it will take some time to be downloaded, and in the meantime we are seeing that laravel 5.2 directory has been created and is fetching the whole project from github.com, and it will take some time, so I am just pausing the video, and when the download is finished I will open and continue to install. Okay, so the whole project has been downloaded to my folder called laravel/5.2, and I am just opening it to my text editor, and the text editor I am using here is Visual Studio Code, and I love this text editor very much. Also, I need to point out my command prompt to the directory, and the directory is laravel 5.2. Okay, just cd it and write the directory name laravel 5.2. So I have opened the whole project in my text editor, and just briefly introducing you the directory or folder structure. The app directory contains your whole application, and which also contains your controller in http/controllers folder, and the model is located in your app directory, and here the locates the model in app directory, and the default app model is created here, and the model name is user.php, and no other file in PHP files here. So only PHP file is here, is called user.php, and if you create your new model, the model will be created here like people PHP or customer PHP or employee.php, and these PHP files are usually Laravel model, and is the model, and the controller locates in your controller folder. And here's the thing, no other controller like welcome controller or default controller .php file. So this thing is complained or queried here. People have been asking that they have not found this type of default controller here. So there's the F folder and the config folder. If you open the bootstrap folder, just skip it. It takes your autoload files and app file and the cache things. And configure folder contains your various types of controllers like a database controller or authentication controller, app controller, or file system mail queue service controller. Then the database folder takes your migration files and seed files. And public directory keeps the index file, and the view locates in the resources folder and then views folder. So the PHP MVC framework, Laravel is a PHP framework, and the M or model locates in app directory, and the controller locates in controllers folder, and the view locates in resources then views folder. So to run your project, just open your browser and refresh the directory, and you will see that Laravel 5.2 directory has been created here. And if you go through it, you will see the public directory. Just open it and you will see that your Laravel 5.2 project is up and running. But we don't know where this page came from. So to check the code, just right click and view the source code, and you see that this code is located, this code is written in this page, and I want to just show the page which is responsible for this Laravel 5 text, and this locator is welcome.blade.php. So if you write laravel.5.2, you will see the changes easily, and if you refresh it, you will see that Laravel 5.2 has been written here and your change has been updated. So I want to show you some more things, and the things is that I want to create my new route, and show some new creative view and show some my own custom code. And the route file is located in app, then http directory, then routes.php, and if you open it, you will see some code here, and it's nothing special here. It's a route class, and route is a special class defined by Laravel, and it takes a static method called get, and get takes 2 parameters, and first parameter is your route name, and my route name is hello, and followed by second argument, and this argument is a closure or NMS function, and this function is returning the view you want to show, and the return takes a method called view, which is a laravel specific method, and this takes one argument or parameter, and the parameter is your view name. So my view name is hello, and write the semicolon and put the semicolon at the end of your route static method, then save it and open the browser, type your route name, and my route name is hello, and open it. Boom, you are seeing a exception or error, and the error is showing you that the hello view has not found, has not been found. So what wrong we have did, and we have done, and the wrong we did is here is that our view is not been created. So I am creating a new view called hello blade.php, and the blade.php is a laravel specific view engine extension, and if you want to create any type of view, this file name has to be like .blade.php. so my view name is hello, so the view file name is hello.blade.php. if you want to create a new view called employee, the view name will be employee.blade.php. so I think you have got the idea. So I am writing a dummy code like p tag, and writing some code like hello from laravel .5.2, and save it, then refresh it. You see that my custom code has been shown here, and the interesting thing is that our view is working and our route is also working. So the next thing I want to show you is that that I want to create the controller and return the view from the controller. What thing is working here is that it's showing the view from the route level. It's not showing the view from the controller level. So if you want to return your view from controller level, you need to create a new controller, and the controller will be created under http/controllers folder. And to create a controller, you have a php artisan command, and php artisan is a laravel specific command. So to create a controller, just type php artisan, then make controller, then your controller name. My controller name is hello controller, and notice the convention, you have to write the controller name, first letter will be the capital, and the controller name C for capital letters, then hit enter. So I have written something wrong, so the controller is make controller, but my typo is here, the typo is controller. So again hit, and you see that the controller has been created, and here is the hello controller, and it has generated some boilerplate code, the controller class. And if you want to return a view like this view hello, from controller, you just need to create a public method, and the public method name is called index. Then return the view here. Our view name is hello, and put a semicolon at the end of the code and save it, and remove the view code from here, and also change the second argument so that we can route through the controller. This hello route will pass through the controller, and our controller name is hello controller. Then we want to also write the method name, and to write the method name just type add, and the method name, our method name is index. Here you see the method name is index. So the writing conversion is the controller name at your method name. Then save it and rerun your project. You'll see that something is wrong here, and the thing is the error is showing from line number 18 in Graph PHP. Okay. Whatever written here is that it's taking the parameter as a string, so I have mistakenly put it as a without a string. So I think the bug has been fixed. So run it. You see that the view is again working from the controller level. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and hope that you will install the laravel 5.2 in your Windows machine easily and smoothly. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time in another video.